Hello, folks. I'm Betelda. My pronouns are she, her. I'm a program manager at Pride Circle, and I'm super excited to talk about this new initiative Pride Circle has launched for both allies and LGBT folks. It's called TAG, which stands for Together All Grow, which is a referral program, which is a job referral program. And it's one of the first LGBT job referral programs to be launched in India. So it is very simple. An ally or an LGBT person can register and sign up for this, get their referral link, and send it across to LGBT folks who are looking out for jobs in inclusive companies. And once they upload their resume, you get 50 points, and if they get a job through your referral link, you get 1,000 points, which can be translated into amazing rewards and gift vouchers, which can be redeemed on Amazon and other platforms. So I will go through how to register for this amazing opportunity. Please go to this link, which is mentioned in the search bar /PC uh, tag, and here it goes. Once you put in your email ID, submit. So you will be sent a verification and an activation link to your email, which is valid only for 10 minutes. So make sure you are quick and register directly from here. Type in your name, email ID, phone number, your identity. If you're an ally, choose ally, and if you are from the community, choose LGBT. Set a password. Once you register, data protection and privacy statement appears. Please go through it and accept it. This will take you to your dashboard, and here you already have 10 points for the registration. And this is the referral link, which you can copy and send it to all your LGBT friends who are looking out for jobs. And also, as a disclaimer, you can mention to them that their identity, their personal details will be completely confidential with Pride Circle, and it will not leave our organization, even if you are. Uh, Even if you are sending across your resume to job like employers, other our clients, we won't be sharing your personal details. And this is your referral member code. So once you copy this link, we copy this link and send it across to all our LGBT friends. And I'll just show you how what happens once a person who you refer to signs up. So once they put the link you share, that is your referral link, on their browser, this is the interface, and they can type in their email ID and submit. They would have received an OTP on their Gmail account. Here it goes. And this is the OTP they can use to log in. So once they type in their OTP from the mail they received, they will submit it, and this is the terms and conditions about uploading their resume in their database. You can mention to them that it will be very confidential with us, and they can accept it. We have another detailed video about how to create your profile and upload your resume, which will be put in the description box. So once the person you have referred to, the LGBT friend you referred to upload their resume and create the pipeline for a lot of inclusive companies to, uh, you know, provide them with jobs, you can go to your dashboard again and check if your points have been. So here, congratulations, tag referee has signed up using your link. So once the registration is done, you will receive this notification, and you will also receive an email which says, thanks for sharing the referral link. We at Pride Circle will verify your submission, and once it's verified within the next 10 days, your dashboard will be credited with another 10 points. So once you reach your point goal to 500, you can redeem them, as well as if the person you refer to, for example, the person tag referee which you refer to today finds a job, you will get 1,000 points, which will be equivalent to 1,000 rupees. So that is about it. Hope this helped. If you have more questions, feel free to write to us at contact@thepridecircle.com. And there is more details here, which if you want to know about it. And you can click here as well. If you are from the community, click here and browse through the jobs, and come and attend Rise as well this year, which is happening in the month of May. And that's it. Thank you so much. All the best. Go on, refer your LGBT friends, help them find great jobs with inclusive employers. Thanks a lot.